The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is 22nd of October and our gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 12 verses 39 to 48. Today is also the feast of the great John Paul II, our Pope who has been so much closer to the people. Well, probably most of us knew him and we have been inspired, especially the young people. And so to St. John Paul II, let us ask his intercession so that our young people may be truly aware of their calling, of their mission, and of their responsibility and of their faith. In our gospel, the Lord said, to those who have received much, much will be demanded from them. True enough, my dear sisters and brothers, the best feeling is always being empowered. When you realize that you have been trusted, you have been empowered, that you have been given the responsibility, it is always a good feeling because that means your talents, your skills, your intelligence are being recognized. However, we have to live according to the expectations from us. And let us not fail. If we are afraid to fail human beings who entrusted us, who believed in us, how much more our God? Because the Lord truly believes in us. The Lord has empowered us. The Lord has given us the power to create something good and the power to make a difference. And so, if we will not live according to what is expected from us, then we need to be accountable. My dear friends, never ever say to yourself that you cannot do something good. And if only we will make use in a positive way all the things that have been given to us, then certainly we can make our God be proud of us. Let us serve the Lord with gladness. God bless you.